Good morning, everyone. It is 5 a.m. on Saturday morning. I'm getting up early because yesterday on the way back from Murcia, I was riding through 42 degree heat and it wasn't good. So up at 5, out by 5:30. I've got a 5-hour drive ahead of me. So in theory, as long as it goes well, I should be undercover by about 10:30, 11 o'clock. So that's the plan. Not great for footage because it's going to be dark, but yeah, we're getting off early today so that we can avoid the heat. So we're off to Gibraltar, or as close to Gibraltar as we can get, and that's our most southerly point on this trip. So, going to get to the bike. Okay, we've passed through Granada, we've passed through Malaga, Marbella. I don't think we're going to make it to Gibraltar today, so we're just going to stop off maybe 20 miles south of Marbella somewhere, find a hotel, and then we'll do that another day. A shame, but it's been a long day and we're at like 42 degrees, so I'm going to call it a day and find a hotel. Okay, Friday and I have just arrived at the hotel. We're going to dump some stuff, lighten the load, and then we're going to head up the mountains. Not quite sure which direction to take, but we'll just make it up as we go along. Up the mountain in a buggy. Awesome.
Now is the drone turn.
Yeah.
You like
amazing.
it?
Thank you.
You're welcome always.
Right, just finished the buggy tour. Huge thank you to Joel. Muchas gracias, Joel. Joel took me back up to the top of the mountain afterwards in the buggy so I could get a shot that was amazing. Even waited for me to put the drone up, so huge thank you to you, Joel. And I promised you I'd have this video out in the next couple of days, so I'll let you know. But on the way back I thought I'd stop off at Estepona. I think it's Estepona, I might be wrong. And as I was driving down the road towards Estepona, I found a McDonald's. So that's lunch, and then we're going to head into town and have a look around. Need a shave too. Everything's covered in dust. Check out my bag. So we made it to Estepona. It's 40 degrees heat, so I'm just going to drive through, have a look at the town, and then head back to the hotel, shower, pool. Okay, so we're in my hotel room. I just wanted to recap on where we've been before I finish this video off. I've got my great big map here. On the other side is where we came from. We came down here through Granada. We've come along the motorway here. We've bypassed Malaga, down here past places like Torremolinos. We got to Marbella. Now, Marbella, as soon as you come through the threshold of Marbella, it just becomes very green and lots of golf courses. There's also lots of stag groups and hen parties wandering down the road in high heels. So a bit of a strange place. So I didn't want to stop there, but I was absolutely shattered by the time I got to Marbella. I was about 6 hours in, and it was getting to about 42 degree heat. So I ended up just going 20 minutes more to Estepona here. Now, tomorrow I want to go up here to Ronda to visit the Puente Nuevo, which is quite a famous bridge. That takes me across a mountain range, which is quite cool driving as well. So we're going to do that. And then towards the end of the week, we'll head down this motorway here to Gibraltar. And then we'll continue around here, up here, up here, up here, up here, up here, and on our way home. Whew, busy day. Okay, that's it for this one. See you in the next.